what if I start with a scale and I ask you to tell me the name of it? I started with the bass or F clef, and what we do is we say the name of the note and plot it on the keyboard. So work backwards with me and let's see if we can identify the name of this scale. It could be major, it could be minor. The F or bass clef, here's a trick. Remember, the F clef is showing me F. So if this one is F, I can go ahead and label this one F sharp. If this is F, what is higher than F? G. So this one is G, F sharp. We might use this sentence, all cows eat grass. All cows eat. The sentence, great big dogs. All cows. Great big. All, for all cows eat grass. And great. Okay, so I see that I have a high G and I see that I have a low G. So let's put those letters in. 3 black keys. Front door is F. After F comes G. So there's one G and there's the other G. That's an octave apart, 8 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So then I see a F sharp. So here's my, I don't want to go this way. I want to keep my notes between the two G's because we know it's a scale. So G, F sharp is here on the black one. E would not be black. D, C, B, A, and G. All right, now, I know it's some type of a G scale, but I have to know if it's the major or the minor. So let's write the pattern. What is G to A? A whole step. A to B, whole step. B to C, half. C to D, whole. D to E, whole. E to F sharp, I'm skipping something, so that has to be whole. F sharp to G is half. So, what is it, major or minor? Correct, major. This is G major scale. We'll do one more of these. Now let's first start with identifying or labeling the notes on the staff. I see a G clef or treble, and I know that the first short line below the staff is C. We often call that middle C. And below the C is B. So this is B. What is this? C sharp. What comes after C? D. E. That's my first line. E. F sharp. G. A. B. All right, let's plot these on the keyboard. Middle C, 2 black keys to the left, so this must be B. C sharp is a black key, then D, E, F sharp is a black key, G, A, B, G, A, and B. Now, let's describe the whole steps and half steps. From B to C sharp, I had to skip a white key, so this must be a whole step. C sharp to D is a half step. D to E is a whole. E to F sharp, see I'm skipping the white key, is a whole. F sharp to G is a half. G to A is a whole. And A to B is a whole. So what scale is represented by whole, half, two wholes, half, two wholes? Is it major or minor? It is minor. Now, early on, when you got right to here, whole, half, you might have said, oh, I know it's a minor. Make sure if you ever have a test of multiple choice, and if they say, is it none of the above, then you might would have had to find the whole pattern, because what if there had been a B flat? Would it have been a minor? Or would it have been none of the above? It would have been none of the above. It wouldn't have been major or minor. So make sure you follow through with all the choices and find out what the complete pattern is. So this one is B minor. B. It starts on B, ends on B, and it has the pattern for your natural minor. That completes our samples of scales for today.